kasi nakakahimatay actually pag sobrang lakas ng G-forces.
Oh my gosh, tignan mo, look at how close they are with each other. Kung clingy, ito clingy place na meron tayo for
subukan. Grabe ang skill levels ng ating mga piloto. Tapos yung mga aeroplano nila, tawag dyan ay yung Extra 330 SC. Single-seat aircraft lang yan. So isang piloto lang, isang pasahero. Mag-isa lang siya doon, medyo lonely. Pero kung nag-ginagawa ng aerobatics mo, kailangan makapag-focus ka. So yung design ng Extra 300, based on an older plane siya, na monoplane, yung wing niya made out of wood. Ngayon, yung Extra 300, naka-upgrade na, welded steel kit, eh, hindi na masyadong kaya ng engine na kapunin. Alright, and they're going to break away, I believe, yes. Another move, yes. So, sa sobrang vertical ng plane, magsusstall ng konti, and then they can turn off ang wheel tip kung yun ang maneuver na mapipili nila. Ayan, break away from the move, away from the starter natin. The communication that you have is incredible. Ayan, nasa naman na sila dito sa gitna. Sana naman makapakita ang bayon, no? Ayan. That was a crossover from our pilots. And nakabalik sila dito closer to the Fiesta grounds. Ako yung kinakabahan ko kasi. Sobrang lapit! Alright, our pilots are going into a reverse turn. Very, very low crossing pass right here in front of the crowd line. This is a pre-developed same ang shape ng wings sa taas at sa ilalim. Which means they can actually fly upside down for longer periods of time. Ang dami nila magagawa sa ilalim. That makes for single flight. It's great for a lot of smaller planes. Pero syempre hindi siya as maneuverable as the one. Sa mga ganitong aerobatic maneuvers or displays ng aerobatic movement, use for them for action command. Did you know several 45 minutes when it comes to
In the heat of the battle, when the crowd's on their feet, we got the strength for the challenge, and we won't face defeat. From the fields to the courts, with the legends on board, we rise to the test.
nagpapakitang
In
ilang
the
sila ang
enemy
ating local stars in the
There you go.
vertical, that means dapat silang mag-stall. Nag-roll muna. Excited tayo. Excited ako, actually. Ayan, very low pass, close to the crowd line. Ang ganda ni mga aeroplano ng Extra 300. And pinapakita talaga nila ang may last na ipapakita ang ating mga piloto. Panoorin na po natin. Sa Bicol Loco Festival.
It's a big heart for you
Thank you.